source connected with the internal resistance, or a source having its internal resistance in series. That is called voltage source. Current source means a source which has an internal resistance shown parallel to the source. That is called as current source. So now, considering these two aspects of practical voltage source and practical current source, we are just using certain rules or fundamentals so that we can solve the circuit, we can simplify the circuit. Okay, so we have a voltage source and current source. Voltage source has an internal resistance connected in series, current source has an internal resistance connected in parallel. Okay, so when we have to transform one to the other and second to the first, what changes takes place in that circuit, that we have to understand. So we have done with first rule, voltage to current. When we transform voltage to current, we have to find out current. I is equal to V upon R. That is Ohm's law. When we have to transform current to voltage, it means we have to find out V. That is V is equal to I into R. Again, Ohm's law. Okay. Then if there are two voltage sources connected in series, it's a practical approach for the voltage source connected in series. Like a battery is connected, if the batteries are connected in series having 1.5 volt of the batteries, that gives you 3 volt. If it is properly placed, if it is not properly placed, then we may get the 0 volt. Okay. Then for series connection of the resistances, we get the summation of both the resistances, as series shows the summation R1 plus R2. So we have understood this particular concept of the series voltage source connected. Okay, and we have considered this particular example. Now, if there are, this is your fourth rule. So if you remember, this is our rule number 4. Rule number 4, when two current sources connected in parallel. When two current sources connected in parallel, first we consider the first part, like we have divided this into two parts. As part 1, consider two resistances connected in parallel. So the parallel combination is R1, R2 upon R1 plus R2. Then we considered two current sources, I1 and I2, both are connected in parallel. So by considering one simple example of a solar panel, we have explained this particular current source connection so that we get the summation of both the currents as I equal to I1 plus I2. Okay. So now we have I as the total current of the current source connected in parallel, and R with the equivalent resistance of the parallel combination of the resistances. So the equation which is applicable there is I is equal to I1 plus I2, R is equal to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. That is what the parallel combination of the resistances. Now we can transform that single equivalent current source into a single voltage source. So this is our figure, next figure to the given figure. So this is the figure where it shows single voltage source, or you can call it as single equivalent voltage source, where V is equal to I into R, again Ohm's law, and the combination is R is equal to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. Okay. So let us understand the next rule, rule number 5. Rule number 5. Now, if you have, like we have studied current voltage source connected in series and current source connected in parallel. Third we have studied is, I just write it here. Third rule we have studied voltage source connected in series. And fourth rule we have studied is current source connected in parallel. Connected in parallel. Okay. Now what I do, I just consider if the voltage source is connected in parallel and current source is connected in series, then what we have to do? That is another rule for us. All the rules are related to the practical voltage and current source. So let us say voltage sources are connected in parallel. Now when we say voltage source, how we represent voltage source in the network? Okay, or internal resistance of the voltage source must be in series with the voltage source. That is called as voltage source. Right? So this complete is representing voltage source. Now there is another voltage source which is present, and these two are connected in parallel. Let the terminals be, यानी यहाँ पर इसके नाम दे देते हैं, let the terminals are terminal A and terminal B. Okay, now this complete is representing one voltage source. This complete is representing one voltage source. So just check. So now there are two voltage sources which are connected. There are two voltage sources which are connected. Now let us say the value of this voltage source, first voltage source, has internal resistance is R1. This voltage source has a voltage value as V1. Another voltage source has internal resistance R2. This voltage source has a voltage value as V2. Okay, so this complete is representing a voltage source. This is our practical voltage source. Practical voltage source, say 1. This has our practical voltage source, say 2. Okay, so it means we have two voltage source. We have two voltage source. A voltage source का मतलब क्या हुआ है? That fundamentals we know. कि voltage source, it means that the internal resistance must be connected in series. That is called as voltage source. Okay, so we have this first voltage source as V1 and R1. We have another voltage source as V2 and R2. Okay, but now how these two voltage sources are connected? These two voltage sources are connected in parallel. So I already said कि series वाला rule we have already done. We have already done with the series rule. If two voltage sources connected in series, that we have done. Now what we are doing, we are considering if two voltage sources connected in parallel. So how we represent voltage source? V1 R1, that represents a voltage source. V2 R2, another representation for another voltage source. But now these two Vs are connected. These two voltage sources are connected in parallel. So now what we have to do? How to solve if we have two voltage sources connected in parallel? Okay. Now, can anyone help me out to solve this circuitry? What should be the step to get the single voltage source or a single current source? जैसे यहां तक हम लोगों ने किया है, अब तक जितने भी रूल्स हम लोगों ने देखे, 4 रूल्स हम लोगों ने देखे. In all 4 rules, we have transformed the given connection of the source into a single source. That single source may be a voltage source or a current source. Same thing we have to do for this particular connection. कि आपके पास ये एक connection देके रखा है, and if you have this particular connection, you have to convert that connection into either a single voltage source or a single current source. Okay. So now to get this, what we have to do? What should be the first step to have that? Yes. Can anyone help me out to get the fundamentals? Yes. What should we do? What should we do? Yes. Anyone? Okay. I just give you hint. We have studied first rule, rule number 1, where one voltage source can be converted into current source. So let us convert voltage source 1 into current source 1. Right? So I just draw that figure here. So what is your result? So the result will be a current source has internal resistance parallel connected. So इसका मतलब क्या होगा कि आपको मिलेगा एक करंट सोर्स और एक इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस, बराबर. So this is what the conversion of first voltage source into the first current source. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me the direction of the current? Let us ask Manthan. Manthan, Manthan,
Yes, sir.
Manthan, can you tell me the direction of the current? Okay, मैं आपको क्लियर कर देता हूँ. मंथन, can you keep your camera and audio on? मंथन, Manthan, I am expecting that you have to be there in the class. Manthan,
Yes, sir.
Manthan, where are you right now? Can you just make your camera on? Just make your camera on. Manthan, actually you are wasting my time. Manthan, you are wasting my time. Manthan, can you just speak? Okay, Sudhanshu, how are you? Your mic is off, I
Fine,
think,
sir.
Sudhanshu. Yeah, fine.
Fine, sir.
Very good. Okay. आप हो क्या क्लास में पहले से?
Yes, sir.
Okay, चलो. Can you tell me if we have a voltage sources parallel connected and if I have to convert one voltage source into a first current source? So can you tell me the direction of this current source?
From B terminal to A terminal.
Yes, from B terminal to A terminal, यानी upward.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Sudhanshu, can you tell me why this current source to be upward?
Because sir, there in a voltage source.
Yes.
Because of this voltage source, sir.
Yes,
Negative
correct.
to
Yes, because of the voltage source where positive is represented positive polarity. यहाँ पर जो positive polarity है वो ऊपर में है, upward है, and negative polarity जो है वो नीचे में है. So therefore we have to show the direction of the current from negative to positive because यहाँ पर जो front end है current source का, front end, this arrow, that arrow indicates the positive and tail end यानी this end, that tail indicates the negative. So therefore it should be upward. Okay, so now this has say I1. अब यहाँ पर जो internal resistance है V1 का, it is R1, so therefore you have to represent R1 internal resistance as it is in the case. Okay, great, Sudhanshu. Now can you help me out again to convert or again to show for the conversion of second voltage source to current source? If because we have another voltage source, right? Yes.
It also has the same direction, sir.
Yes, same direction. So अब इसको आप कैसे represent करोगे? I just draw the internal resistance here.
Yeah.
Okay. Let this be R2. Then its current source. It has a value, say I2. It has a value of say I2. Okay. Now before making that circuit complete circuit, I just need the value of I1. Can anyone tell me? Or Sudhanshu, can you tell me? Sorry. Can you tell me what should be the value or equation of I1?
V1 into R1.
V1 into R1 or V1 upon R1?
V1, sorry, sir. Yeah.
हाँ. So कौन सा law आप यहाँ पर apply कर रहे हो?
Ohm's law.
Ohm's law. Current is equal to voltage upon resistance. That's all. Similar way, if I need another current, second current का value?
V2 upon R2.
V2 upon R2. That's all, right? So again, both the equations are written with the help of Ohm's law. Okay. Now अब वैल्यूज तो हमें पता चल गई। R1 आप यहाँ से डायरेक्टली लिखोगे, इफ दिस R1 इज से 5 ओम, ये अगर R1 आपका 5 ओम्स है तो यहाँ पर भी R1 का वैल्यू 5 ओम्स रहेगा। R2 अगर आपका 15 ओम्स है तो यहाँ पर भी R2 का वैल्यू आपका 15 ओम्स रहेगा, यानी R1 R2 आपका डायरेक्टली आ रहा है। बट नाउ यू हैव टू क्लोज द सर्किट। जैसे आप देख सकते हो कि ये जो दो टर्मिनल्स है, इनको हम टर्मिनल्स कहेंगे। ये जो दो टर्मिनल्स है, इट इज कनेक्टेड विद दिस लिंक, ये इस एक लिंक से कनेक्टेड है। लोअर साइड में भी आप देख सकते हो कि ये जो एंड्स है बोथ आर कनेक्टेड विद द लिंक, यानी यहाँ पर एक लिंक कनेक्टेड है। और उसके बाद ऑन अपवर्ड साइड यू हैव टर्मिनल ए, ऑन लोअर साइड यू हैव टर्मिनल बी। तो इसका मतलब व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू कनेक्ट दीज टू टर्मिनल्स। तो ये दोनों टर्मिनल्स आपके यहाँ कनेक्ट हो गए। अब आप क्या करोगे, यहाँ पर ऊपर में ड्रॉ करोगे एक एक्सटेंशन जिसको हम नाम देंगे ए, लोअर में आप एक्सटेंशन दोगे उसको हम नाम देंगे बी। सो ये हो गया आपका कंप्लीट सर्किट। अगर आप कहोगे सर मुझे थोड़ा ऊपर से ड्रॉ करना है, वो भी चलेगा। ये लाइन आप यहां से ना ड्रॉ करते हुए, इफ आई जस्ट वांट दैट लाइन टू बी ड्रॉन फ्रॉम दिस एंड, तो भी चलेगा। दैट इज ऑल्सो द कनेक्शन। सो लाइक यहां से मैं उसको ड्रॉ करता हूं, स्टिल आई विल गेट द सेम एक्सटेंशन टर्मिनल ए। यहां से मैं इसके लिए ड्रॉ करता हूं, still I'll get the extension for terminal B. That's all. So this is now terminal B. Now can you identify the type of circuit? Yes, thank you Sudhanshu. Now I just talk to Manthan again. See Manthan, if you are not attending the class properly, you will not be allowed to sit in the classroom. If I in my networks class, if I get only 10 students or 5 students attending my class with full motivation and enthusiasm, I will take only those students in my class. If the other students are just sitting for the sake of attendance, I don't want those students in my class. Manthan, if you are not able to attend my class completely, you please leave this class immediately. This is last instruction, Manthan, which I am going to give you. Last, Manthan, if you are not able to keep your camera and mic on, please leave this class immediately. Otherwise, forcefully I have to remove you from the class. Manthan, last instruction. I'll just wait for 5 more minutes, otherwise I'll remove you from my class. Okay, now let us talk with the Saksham. Is it possible, Saksham, to talk? Saksham? Okay, let us hear it from Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, are you there?
Yes sir.
Okay, Vaishnav, can you help me out? Like, what is the type of circuit now? We have done with figure 2. Let us say this is figure 2. Can you tell me how this particular figure is connected now? How these two figures, like how this particular figure 2 is connected, how these elements are connected in the circuit? Because see, this, yes, very good, correct है। आप करेक्ट हो वैष्णवी? How these two sources are connected? Current source 1 and current source 2. वैष्णवी, मुझे सुने नहीं आया बेटा।
सर पैरेलल में कनेक्टेड है।
यस, पैरेलल कनेक्टेड है, यानी यहाँ पर आपके ये दोनों करंट सोर्स अगर पैरेलल कनेक्टेड है, अगर आपके दोनों करंट सोर्स पैरेलल कनेक्टेड है, तो डोंट यू थिंक नाउ वी कैन फॉलो रूल नंबर 4 टू गेट द सिंगल वोल्टेज और सिंगल करंट सोर्स? वी कैन टेक द हेल्प ऑफ दिस रूल नंबर 4। अब रूल नंबर 4 क्या कहता है कि इफ यू हैव टू करंट सोर्सेज कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल, if you have two current sources connected in parallel, then by using that rule number 4, you can convert it into a single current source and hence a single voltage source. So we can take the help of this particular rule, rule number 5 or rule number 4. So now refer rule number 4. Rule number 4. Okay. अब आप क्या करोगे? Can you tell me? Yes, Vaishnavi. Can you tell me? अब आपको क्या करना है? Rule number 4 यूज करना है, इसका मतलब क्या करना है? Quick. अब आप क्या करोगे? Okay, is it possible to convert this parallel current source? Is it possible to convert this parallel current source into a single current source?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. I can show you this. यहाँ पर आपके दो, this is your rule number 4. यहाँ पर आपके दो करंट सोर्स कनेक्टेड थे, I1 I2. उनके डायरेक्शंस अपवर्ड थे, दो रेजिस्टेंस आपके पैरेलल कनेक्टेड थे, R1 R2. उसको आपने कन्वर्ट किस में किया? You have converted this into a single current source as I equal to I1 plus I2 and R is equal to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2, right? So same way, can you tell me now the single current source value? अब यहाँ पर सिंगल करंट सोर्स का वैल्यू क्या रहेगा?
R is equals to R1 into R2 upon R1 plus R2.
Very good.
I is equals to I1 plus I2.
Very good. So this is terminal A, terminal B, and the current source. Again the direction या upward. यहाँ पर current का direction upward रहेगा, and I is equal to I1 plus I2 and resistance R is equal to R1 R2. I think Vaishnavi you said this only, R1 R2
Yes.
upon R1 plus R2. Now we are getting this as current source I equal to I1 plus I2 because both the currents are directed upward, because in both the voltage sources the positive polarity is shown upward. तो अगर पॉजिटिव पोलैरिटी ऊपर में है तो करंट का डायरेक्शन भी ऊपर जाते हुए दिखेगा. सो इफ वी हैव I1 एंड I2 बोथ आर अपवर्ड डायरेक्टेड, यानी तो ऊपर में जाते हुए दिख रहा है, तो इसका मतलब द टोटल करंट हैज अ एडिशन ऑफ द करंट्स I इक्वल टू I1 प्लस I2, और उसके साथ साथ दोनों करंट का डायरेक्शन कैसे रहेगा? अपवर्ड. सो नाउ वी हैव अ करंट सोर्स I1 plus I2 and internal resistance definitely connected in parallel, because here R1 and R2 both are connected in parallel. So R is equal to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. Okay. Now is it possible to convert this into a single current or single voltage source? Is it possible to convert this into single current to voltage source? Vaishnavi, you only have to tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So यहाँ पर क्या होगा फिर? यहाँ पर आपको मिलेगा एक इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस, उसकी वैल्यू क्या रहेगी? उसकी वैल्यू रहेगी R, और यहाँ पर आप ड्रॉ करोगे एक वोल्टेज सोर्स, बराबर. अब वोल्टेज सोर्स में वोल्टेज का वैल्यू क्या होगा? वोल्टेज का वैल्यू क्या होगा?
IR.
करेक्ट. V इज इक्वल टू IR. I का वैल्यू क्या होगा? I1 प्लस I2. R का वैल्यू क्या होगा? R1 R2 अपॉन R1 प्लस R2. अच्छा, यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव पोलैरिटी कहाँ पर दिखनी चाहिए? ऊपर में या नीचे में? अपवर्ड. पॉजिटिव पोलैरिटी मस्ट बी अपवर्ड एंड नेगेटिव पोलैरिटी मस्ट बी डाउनवर्ड. ओके, खत्म. दिस इज योर सिंगल इक्विवेलेंट वोल्टेज सोर्स. तो आपको पहला फिगर दिया था, फिगर 1, कि दो वोल्टेज सोर्स आपके पैरेलल कनेक्टेड, फिर आपने उसको कन्वर्ट किया फिगर 2 में, जहां पर आपने पैरेलल वोल्टेज सोर्स, इंडिविजुअल वोल्टेज सोर्स को आपने करंट सोर्स में कन्वर्ट किया. सो यू गॉट करंट सोर्स 1, करंट सोर्स 2. नाउ बोथ द करंट सोर्सेस कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल. Then you have transformed those current sources into a single current source. So now you have I equal to I1 plus I2 and R is equal to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2 as the single current source. Now you have converted that single current source into a single voltage source. V is equal to I into R. But what is the value of I? I का value is I1 plus I2 and R का value is R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. That's all. Okay, let us take simple example. चलो, अब यहाँ पर मैं एग्जांपल ले रहा हूँ, आई जस्ट राइट वन एग्जांपल कि अगर आपके पास इफ यू हैव टू वोल्टेज सोर्सेस connected in parallel. Manthan, still I am expecting your response, which I am not getting. Okay, so let us consider this as example. आपके पास टर्मिनल A और B है. The value of this particular resistance is say 20 ohms. Value of the voltage source is say 100 volt. Okay, another resistance is say, okay, just a second. Okay, let us say this is 30 ohms, or I just make it 40 ohms. Instead of 30, I just make it 40. Let us say this is okay, I just make it 50 ohms. Let us say this is 50 ohms. Okay, and this as this as 250 volts. Let us make this as 250 volt. Okay, now you have to convert this into a single voltage source. Your task is what? Find equivalent voltage source for the given circuit, or for the given network. Yes, can you tell me the first step to get the answer? First, पहला step आपका क्या रहेगा? Quick.
Convert voltage source into current source.
Okay, convert voltage source into current source. तो यहाँ पर आपको दो current source मिलने चाहिए फिर. So let us make the current sources first. Current source, इसका मतलब its internal resistance to be parallel connected. As we have two voltage sources, यानी यहाँ पर आपके दो current source बनेंगे. तो यहाँ पर मैंने दो करंट सोर्स ड्रॉ कर लिए. टर्मिनल्स के नाम आपके सेम रहेंगे, ए बी. अब यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव वोल्टेज सोर्स में, पॉजिटिव पोलैरिटी वोल्टेज सोर्स 1 में ऊपर है, सो आई जस्ट कॉल दिस एज वोल्टेज सोर्स 1 एंड आई जस्ट कॉल दिस एज वोल्टेज सोर्स 2. So now I am getting first current source and this as second current source. Okay, now positive polarity in first voltage source is upward, therefore the orientation of current, first current is to be upward, and its resistance similar direction for second current source, say I2. Okay, now you have to calculate the value for I1 and I2 because I1 आपका conversion है, so I1 is equal to, can you tell me the formula? You are transforming first voltage source into a first current source.
V1 by R1.
Yes, it is V1 upon R1. यानी आपने क्या किया, मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. You have transformed this complete voltage source, okay, into a single current source. तो यहाँ पर मैं जो एरो, जो लाइंस, डॉटेड लाइंस ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ, that dotted line is indicating the conversion of first voltage source VS1 into first current source. Okay, so now I1 is equal to V1 upon R1. V1 का वैल्यू है 100 वोल्ट, रेजिस्टेंस हुआ 20, so it means 5 ampere. So the value of this current is 5 ampere. Value of the resistance is same, 20 ohms. Here the value of that resistance is same, that is 50 ohms. Now, similar way, I2 can be written. So I2 is equal to V2 upon R2. Now, what is the value of V2? The value of V2 is 250 volts. The value of R2 is 50 ohms. So it is equal to how much?
6.25.
6.25.
5 ampere.
5 एम्पियर. मुझे लगता है कि
एम्पियर
0 0 get cancel, 5 5 is 25, so 5 ampere. So it means the value of this current is also 5 ampere. तो यहाँ पर आपके हो गए दो करंट सोर्स 5 एम्पियर I1 I2, ओके, एंड 20 and 50 पैरेलल रेजिस्टेंसेस. यानी आपको यहाँ पर नया सर्किट मिल गया वेयर दिस इज योर फिगर 2, where now two current sources connected in parallel. Two current sources connected in parallel. It means what we have to do now? Now the hint is follow rule number 4. Follow rule number 4. Okay, now what is rule number 4? Rule number 4, where the two current sources connected in parallel converted into a single current source. यानी यहाँ पर आपको यहाँ सिंगल करंट सोर्स ड्रॉ करना होगा. अब सिंगल करंट सोर्स का मतलब ये हुआ कि करंट सोर्स विथ इट्स इंटरनल पैरेलल रेजिस्टेंस. इसका रेजिस्टेंस कैसे कनेक्ट होता है? पैरेलल. इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस पैरेलल कनेक्ट होता है. सो नाउ दिस इज टर्मिनल ए एंड बी. ओके, नाउ अब ये करंट सोर्स का डायरेक्शन कैसे रहेगा? अपवर्ड. क्यों? बिकॉज बोथ द करंट सोर्सेस आर डायरेक्टेड अपवर्ड, और यहाँ पर इसका टोटल करंट होगा आई. सो कैन यू टेल मी द वैल्यू ऑफ आई? दोनों करंट सोर्स कैसे जा रहे हैं?
10.
ऊपर में जा रहे हैं. सो इट इज I1
I1
प्लस
plus I2.
दोनों करंट सोर्स की वैल्यूज क्या है? 5. सो इट इज 5 प्लस 5. सो हाउ मच इट इज? 10 एम्पियर. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ द करंट इज 10 एम्पियर. इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस क्या होगा? R. एंड हाउ दिस R कैन बी रिटन एज R is equal to R1 R2
into R2. R1 plus R2.
upon R1 plus R2. वेरी गुड. नाउ R1 R2 कितना आ रहा है आपका? एक आ रहा है 20 ohms, दूसरा आ रहा है 50 ohms. डिवाइडेड बाय 20 प्लस 50 कितना होगा? 70.
70.
So now, है ना? So I just cancel 1 0 here. 1 0 get cancelled. 5 2s are 10, यानी 100. 100 upon 7 is the value of resistance. I just keep that 100 upon 7 instead of doing calculations. Okay. Now, as in the numerical they have asked, convert this given network into a single voltage source. So what I do, मैं इसको सिंगल वोल्टेज सोर्स में कन्वर्ट करता हूँ. और सिंगल वोल्टेज सोर्स यानी क्या हो गया? पॉजिटिव ऊपर. क्यों पॉजिटिव ऊपर? क्योंकि करंट सोर्स में एरो ऊपर में है. सो देयरफॉर दिस पॉजिटिव ऊपर. एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ दैट एज से V, द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस रेजिस्टेंस एज इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस R. अब ये R का वैल्यू क्या होगा? जो इस R का वैल्यू होगा, इस R का वैल्यू कितना है? 100 upon 7 ohms. So therefore this resistance also have the same value as 100 upon 7 ohms. But how to get this V? V is equal to Ohm's law. I into R. I into R. Now what is the value of current? The value of current is equal to
10 ampere.
10 multiplied by resistance के वैल्यू कितना होगा? 100 upon 7. Now what is the value of voltage? It is 1000 upon 7 volts. अगर आप इसको कैलकुलेट करना चाहो कैलकुलेटर से कर सकते हो. मैं यहाँ पर इस वोल्टेज का वैल्यू एज इट इज रखता हूँ. इट इज 1000 upon 7 volts. If you want, you can do the calculation, further calculation. But ultimately, what I need, I just need the single equivalent voltage source. Single equivalent voltage source which I am getting in figure number 4. That's all. This is my single equivalent current source, that is figure number 3. So here we have done with the solution. Finally we are getting this. Finally we are getting this. Just check whether you have any question or not. So I just show you the first figure example जहां से हमने शुरू किया था. If you want to write down something here, please write down. Okay, hopefully you have, all of you have done with this. So we have converted
Yes, sir.
first voltage source into first current source, then second voltage source into second current source. Okay, this is our second current source, the second voltage source to the second current source. Then as we are getting two current source connected in parallel, so therefore we are following rule number 4. Okay, then in rule number 4 we are getting single current source, that is figure number 3. Single current source can be converted into single voltage source, that is figure number 4. So ultimately we are getting this as answer. Okay, now is there any question? Okay, now जो मैंने हमने शुरू किया था रूल नंबर 5 के साथ, वोल्टेज सोर्सेज कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल, यानी वोल्टेज सोर्सेज कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल. अब हम लोग रूल नंबर 6 देखेंगे, इफ करंट सोर्सेज कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज. सो नाउ रूल नंबर कितना होगा? 6. इफ टू करंट सोर्स connected in series, if two current source connected in series. अब दो करंट सोर्स है. अब करंट सोर्स आप कैसे ड्रॉ करते हो? आप लोग जानते हो. करंट सोर्स का मतलब ये हुआ कि a current source has parallel connected internal resistance. Now let us call the value of this current as I1 and value of this resistance is R1. Okay, so this is representing first current source. अब आपका दूसरा करंट सोर्स है, दूसरा करंट सोर्स मैं इसके नीचे ड्रॉ करता हूं. सेकेंड करंट सोर्स, second current source. Okay, now how this what is the values of the current second current source? It is I2 and the other one is R2. Now how these two current sources are connected? These two current sources are connected in series. So it means for that purpose what I have to do, I just have to draw a single line connecting these two current sources. So this is my current source 1, this is my current source 2, and both the current sources are connected in series. So now this line is indicating the series connection. This line is indicating the series connection. अब आप कहोगे सर सीरीज कैसे हुआ? See, when we say current source, अब वो current source क्या हुआ? A current source with its internal parallel resistance. A current source with its internal parallel resistance. तो ये इसका parallel resistance है, internal parallel resistance. So I2 R2 is showing current source. I1 R1 is showing current source. So now these two current sources are connected in series. It means this line indicates the series connection. Okay. Now I just extend this line to represent terminal number A. I just extend this line as terminal number B. So now this is A, B terminal has two current sources connected, I1 R1, I2 R2. And how these two are connected in the network? These two are connected in the series network. In this series, these two networks are connected in the series. अब आप क्या करो? What should be your step? What should be your step? Can anyone tell me how to solve this circuit now?
Convert
How
single
to solve?
current source into voltage source, then combine
Yes,
it.
very good. Okay, I just show you this. Can you refer this one? क्या आप लोग ये देख पा रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now all of you can see this. अगर आप उसको डबल क्लिक करते हो तो यू कैन लाइक मैक्सिमाइज माय स्क्रीन. So this is our rule number 6. And what rule number 6 is saying current sources in series. So जैसे हमने कहा था कि convert, जैसे इन्होंने भी कहा convert first current source into first voltage source, that we did. Convert second current source into second voltage source, that we did. Now how to get the values of V1 and V2? By using Ohm's law. V1 is equal to I1 R1, V2 is equal to I2 R2. What about R1 resistance in the current source? R1 resistance is as it is represented. How the resistance R2 of voltage source represented? It is same as of the current source. That is R2 of current source is same as R2 of voltage source. Now how these two voltage sources connected in the network? These two voltage sources are connected in the network is in series. These two voltage sources are connected in series. Now transform these two voltage source, transform these two series connected voltage source into single voltage source. Single voltage source क्या रहेगा? V is equal to V1 plus V2 and R is equal to, as these two R1 and R2 both are connected in series, so R is equal to R1 plus R2. R is equal to R1 plus R2. R is equal to R1 plus R2. Okay, so now we have V is equal to V1 plus V2 and R is equal to R1 plus R2. Now if it is asked to convert given equivalent voltage source into a current source, then you can convert it into further convert it into a current source. इसको और आप extend कर सकते हो, saying Ohm's law I is equal to V upon R, have a internal resistance parallel connected, that is R. Now what should be the value of I? I is equal to V upon R. Now what is the value of V? V is equal to V1 plus V2. What is the value of R? R is equal to R1 plus R2. And what is the value of internal resistance R? R is equal to R1 plus R2. That's all. So this is our rule number 6. This is our rule number 6. Okay, now anyone, any question on this rule number 6? Do anyone have any question on rule number 6? Anyone have any question on this rule number 6? Okay, fine. So if there is no question, we can stop here because it's already 11:19 and I don't want to extend your class further. The reason is I have to take your one more lecture. I have to take your one more lecture at 12:30. Yes, quite difficult to attend network के 2 classes, but to complete the syllabus with the practice numericals, I need to take your extra class. And in fact, luckily I am getting one extra class today at 12:30, and in fact that will compensate our this week of 4 classes. Like per week I have to take your 4 classes. So today I am getting one extra class. It means that will compensate my Wednesday's class, or rather Thursday's class, because on Thursday I was not able to take your class, so it will be compensated today. So I am taking your extra class at 12:30. Please be there. You have to be attentive there. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए like the student is just doing login and then he is like roaming around the laptop or the mobile phone and he is not properly attending the class. That should not be the class. That should not be the case. That should not be the case. You have to attend the classes with full attention. If you are not getting anything, please let me know. Please ask me. Like you have that choice. No, you can have that choice. You can call me, you can WhatsApp me, you can mail me if you feel so. But ask your doubts, clear your doubts. You are going to become an engineer. So engineer means a field engineer if he does or she does the practice, and practice makes man perfect. So to become a perfect person, to become a perfect engineer, you have to do the practice. And when you do the practice, when you attend the classes, and when you attend the classes, you will clear your concepts, doubts, problems, and queries. And when it is cleared, you can easily move ahead, move further to take the new task. Okay, so today you have to attend my 12:30 ka class again with full clarity. Please take your break for 10 minutes. Please have your breakfast in those 10 minutes. Okay, so let us close my lecture. Just send your attendance here, roll number 1 to 10. Roll number 1 to 10, please post your attendance in chat box. Don't write your name, Chetna. There is no need to write your name. Okay, roll number 1 to 10. I think everyone has done. Roll number 11 to 50. Roll number 11 to 50. रोल नंबर 9 शर्वरी, आपने रोल नंबर 11 to 20 के बीच में कैसे रोल नंबर लिखा? I just need the attendance of roll number 11 to 20. Sharavari, please remember.
Yes,
21 to 30. Okay, no issue. 21 to 30. Okay, I think everyone has done. Now 31 to 40. 31 to 40. Okay, then 41 to 50. 41 to 50. Then 51 to 57. Then 51 to 57. 51 to 57. I think everyone has done. So thank you very much, guys. Just take care. We'll join again at 12:30.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye bye,
Thank
Nitin.
you, sir.
Yeah,
Bye
bye,
bye, sir.
Praveen.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye, Hilkesh. Bye, Apurv. Apurv. Okay.